Hello, David here, and the project for today is a review of some reading glasses. I've been using these reading glasses from the $1.25 store because they're cheap, but they always break on me. Check that out. I keep them in the pocket of my fleece jacket when I'm not wearing them because I don't need them for distance, just for reading. Another beef I have with these cheap reading glasses is that when I'm working in the shop and I was wearing the glasses, then I tried to adjust the safety goggles over the glasses while I'm wearing a respirator. That alone would cause the frames to break. And then I epoxy them and then it breaks again, and I got tired of that and I thought, why not get something heavier duty? I was wondering if they made safety glasses in a reading glass style. Safety glasses are always strong. I could wear them in the shop and I'll have protective lenses, and possibly the frames will be stronger. So I did some searching on the internet. I went to Amazon and I just searched reading safety glasses and I came up with this. This is Pyramex company, called the Emerge Plus. I'm using a 2.0 diopter. I used to use a 1.7, and these have very heavy duty frames, and these are made in Taiwan. And one thing I thought odd was that they've etched a number on the edge of each lens. I mean, you don't see it when you're wearing them, but I just thought it was crazy to engrave a number right there. Frames are sturdy. They got big hinges with a long screw going down into the hinge. There's rubber pieces that fit around your head, and everything's plastic. It's got a high impact lens for safety, and they're very comfortable. They even have rubberized nose pieces here, so they're more comfortable on the bridge of your nose. While these are rated, I need to put my glasses on. These are rated ANSI Z87.1 high impact. They do tell you you can't use them to protect against laser light, and you can't use them for simulated war games. They're not meant for paintball or laser tag. They do give 99% protection against UV rays, and they say for cleaning the lens, just use a soft cloth or microfiber towel with water. You can't use anything strong on the lenses. But I like them very much. And how much did they cost? I think they're about $12 or $13, which I suppose I'll spend that much money when I break 10 of those cheapo reading glasses. I expect these to last me a long time, and if I have problems with them, I'll break in and make another video, or I'll add an update to the text of this video. And that's all I have to say for now. They do have side protectors to protect against metal filings that might, or sawdust that might shoot at your face while you're working in the shop. So I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.